हेलो स्टूडेंट। आज हम स्टार्ट करने वाले हैं क्लास 12 का न्यू चैप्टर दैट इज ट्रांजिशन एंड इनर ट्रांजिशन एलिमेंट्स. We know that transition elements are called as a D block element and inner transition elements are called as a F block element. D block elements are those elements whose d orbital is incompletely filled, that is they contain 1 to 9 electron, and similarly F block elements are those elements their f orbital is incompletely filled, that is they contain 1 to 13 electron. But do you know why d block elements are called as a transition element? Because the properties of the d block elements are intermediate, so that s and p block element, so they are called as a transition element. तो क्या पोजीशन है एस ब्लॉक एलिमेंट की पीरियोडिक टेबल में? इट इज प्लेस इन एक्सट्रीम लेफ्ट ऑफ द पीरियोडिक टेबल, दैट इज इन द ग्रुप 1 and 2, and p block which is on the right side, that is from group 13 to 18. So where is the D block? So D block constitute group 3 to 12. So in S block metals are there, in P block non-metals are there. Metals are, we know that electropositive, non-metals are electronegative. So the properties of these element, that is D block elements, are lie in between the S and P block element. That's why they are called as a transition element. So there are 4 transition series, that is 3D from scandium to zinc, 4D from yttrium to cadmium, 5D series from lanthanum to mercury, and 6D series from actinium to copernicium. So these are the 4D series. Now similarly F block elements are also called as a inner transition. Why? Because the F block elements are called inner transition elements because they involve the filling of F orbital which are located between the penultimate cell, that is which cell? n-2 F, making them inner as compared to the outer transition element, that is D block elements, which involve the penultimate cell, that is n-1 D. So here are the S block, P block elements and D block elements. So the F block elements are, we know that, separately shown in the periodic table, but actually they are inner to the D block. That's why they are called as a inner transition elements. They involve the F orbital, that is n-2 F orbital. Okay. Now there are 4 F series, that is lanthanoids and actinoids. So lanthanoids from cerium to lutetium and actinoids from thorium to lawrencium. Okay, so this is all about D transition and inner transition element. In next lecture we will discuss in detail the D and F block elements. Thank you.